Yeah, nicely controlled.
It's just good hitting balls again. Not thinking about it too much, just missed the sound of leather on Willow really, so just been enjoying every time I'm batting because I've missed it a lot. I know a lot of lads have missed it, so we're in the same boat, just having fun really. Me and Liam Patterson-White had a little battle. He was bowling, it was turning a bit, so it was good to get the competitive juices flowing again. I feel like we're similar characters in some ways, so we like to say a bit, make it as competitive as you can, because you know cricket is a competitive sport. When you get out there, it's not all sunshine and rainbows, so it was good to get stuck into him and get stuck into me. Yeah, I think Ant and I have a good relationship together. I think he sees a lot of me in him when he was younger, left-handed batsman, obviously coming overseas as well. So yeah, I talk to him a lot about not just cricket things, just about life. I think he's a good mentor to have around me and the other younger lads.
That is the biggest